سلام به همه دوستای خوبم. آماده یه چیز جدید یاد بگیریم؟ مبحث یادگیری امروزمون کالر هست. کالر به معنی رنگ. میریم و شروع میکنیم. This is red. This is red. Red به معنی قرمز. The apple is red. The apple is red. سیب چه رنگیه؟ قرمز. The rose is red. The rose is red. رز چه رنگیه؟ قرمز. What color is it? What color is it? این چه رنگیه؟ What color رو توی جلسات بعدی براتون کامل توضیح میدم، ولی اینجا بدونید که به معنای چه رنگی هستش. وقتی میگیم what color is it یعنی این چه رنگیه و در جوابش میگیم it is red. It is red. This is yellow. This is yellow. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. The chick is yellow. The chick is yellow. What color is it? What color is it? It is yellow. It is yellow. Green. This is green. This is green. Green به معنای سبز. The leaf is green. The leaf is green. برگ چه رنگیه؟ سبز. The frog is green. The frog is green. قورباغه چه رنگیه؟ سبز. Pink. This is pink. This is pink. This is pink. The flower is pink. The flower is pink. گل چه رنگیه؟ صورتی. The dress is pink. The dress is pink. What color is it? What color is it? It is pink. It is pink. Orange, نارنجی. This is orange. This is orange. The carrot is orange. The carrot is orange. The bag is orange. The bag is orange. Orange به معنی نارنجی. Orange نارنجی. What color is it? What color is it? چه رنگیه؟ It is orange. It is orange. Purple. This is purple. This is purple. The butterfly is purple. The butterfly is purple. پروانه بنفش. What color is it? It is purple. It is purple. Blue. Blue, blue. آبی، آبی، آبی. This is blue. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Eyes are blue. Eyes are blue. چشمان آبی. White. White. چه رنگی؟ سفید. White. White. This is white. This is white. The snow is white. The snow is white. برف سفید رنگ. The snow is white. The snowman is white. The snowman is white. What color is it? What color is it? It is white. It's white. This is black. Black, black. This is black. The hair is black. The hair is black. The hair is black. The spider is black. The spider is black. عنکبوت سیاه. عنکبوت سیاه. What color is it? What color is it? It's black. It's black. خب همه رنگ‌ها رو یاد گرفتیم. نوبت میرسه به مرور رنگ‌ها. یه مرور داشته باشیم به رنگ‌ها تا بیشتر یاد بگیریم. شروع می‌کنیم. What color is it? What color is it? Is it red? Is it red? به دو صورت میتونیم سوال بپرسیم. سوال اول میپرسیم این چه رنگیه؟ سوال دوم Is it red? آیا این قرمزه؟ Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is red. It is red. It's red. Yes, it is. It's red. What color is it? What color is it? Is it blue? Is it blue? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It is green. نه آبی نیست. چه رنگیه؟ سبز. It is green. It's green. No, it isn't. It's green. What color is it? What color is it? Is it white? Is it white? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It is yellow. It is yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. خب خسته نباشید از اینکه کلیپ رو تا آخر دیدید، گوش دادید و یاد گرفتید. اگر میخواید با ما همراه باشید یادتون نره حتما لایک و سابسکرایب کنید. خدا نگهدار.